Yeah, so basically, I got the seal in. I had to make a second part for this. It was a pain in the ass to actually get this in. Even though I greased the hell out of it, I kind of took a tap, whatever hammer and a little tap, or whatever screwdriver, and just lightly tap around it, and it fell right in. So in case you have an issue like me where it's effing stuck, whatever, and as you can see, it's flush. All right, basically. You could do the same thing. Anyways, I'm gonna basically place it in. Gasket. This. Place that back around here. Like that. Alright. Okay, the gasket's on. Alright. Now I'm gonna take the cover. Alright. I just place that sucker on there. Wait, shit, put it in wrong. Alright, wait. Actually, you know what? I almost forgot to put RTV sealer on the cover. Yeah, I'm gonna put this around the edges. Alright. Let's get a nice tighter seal. I'm not going to show the rest because pretty much you just same thing we do with the rest of the bolts. Alright, let it sit for like an hour, and then after that tighten them to torque specs. Other than that, hit like, subscribe, more videos to come. Stay hype. Peace.